In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to set up custom pricing in Housecall Pro. If you're a new user, or even if you've been using Housecall Pro for a while, learning this feature will save you time and make your workflow smoother. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp on setting up custom pricing so you can use Housecall Pro more efficiently for your business. First off, to set up custom pricing, you'll need to access your Housecall Pro dashboard. Once you're logged in, go to the Settings section in the lower left corner of the screen. From there, click on the Pricing tab under Business Settings. This is where all your pricing options will live. Housecall Pro allows you to set up custom pricing for different services, so you can adjust rates based on factors like location, complexity, and time spent. You'll want to start by creating a new pricing structure. Click on the Add New Price button. Now, this is where you can get really specific. Let's say you offer a service like HVAC installation, and you charge different rates depending on whether it's a basic or complex installation. You can create custom pricing based on the type of service and assign a different rate for each one. This is all customizable, so you can even set up flat rates or hourly rates, whichever makes the most sense for your business. Once you've set up the pricing, you can apply it to individual jobs and estimates. To do that, when you create an estimate or job, you simply select the service from your custom price list. This makes it super easy to ensure you're charging the right price every time. You can also add optional services to each estimate, allowing you to further customize pricing for your clients. Another cool thing about Housecall Pro is that you can use the custom pricing feature with your discount system. You can apply different discounts or markups to specific services. So, if you're running a promotion or want to offer a discount to a repeat customer, you can adjust prices on the fly while maintaining your custom rates. For those of you looking to scale, custom pricing in Housecall Pro also allows you to group services together. This means that when you set a price for a group of services, you'll have consistent pricing across the board, making your quotes and invoices more professional and easy to follow. If you're working with teams, Housecall Pro allows you to manage different pricing for different technicians. This can help you control costs and ensure everyone is on the same page when it comes to pricing, whether they're working in different regions or on different types of jobs. It's all about flexibility and streamlining your processes. And if you stick around until the end of the video, we've got something special for you. I'll share how you can access an exclusive extended free trial of Housecall Pro through the link below, which gives you full access to all features including custom pricing and more. Housecall Pro's custom pricing tool is an absolute game changer when it comes to staying organized and consistent with your pricing strategy. Whether you're a solo operator or running a team, this feature will help you maintain control of your pricing without any hassle. If you haven't signed up yet, don't forget to check out the link in the description for your exclusive free trial with Housecall Pro. This system will make your pricing process so much easier and help you provide clear, professional estimates and invoices for your customers. And don't forget, you're also getting that extended free trial just by using the link below. Make sure to take full advantage of it.